This is from Erica in Virginia Beach. I love your show. You guys talk all the time about how you receive multiples of the same question, but I think I have one that you haven't answered before. I've been doing intermittent fasting for about 6 months and recently became pregnant. I asked my doctor and he said it was safe if I continued to doing intermittent fasting as long as I'm listening to my body. So I'm listening, and sometimes I feel extra nauseous when I'm fasting. Do you have any tips for the nausea? What would you say, Chris?
Well, intermittent fasting, first off, affects women's hormones. Even if you're not pregnant, it just affects the female's hormones way more than it affects guys' hormones. So it's going to be very individual based on what your reaction to intermittent fasting while pregnant. I've read both sides. I mean, when I just Facebook groups and asking women about it, I've heard both sides. So I think it's a real individualized, like we couldn't generalize that question.
I recommend binge savers like almonds. If you're getting nauseous, you should do things like peanut butter crackers or a boiled egg or a little bit of Greek yogurt, a little bit of cottage cheese, something or string cheese, anything that's a little bit of protein that is not, obviously it would be normally it would be in the no category for someone who is not pregnant, but just the smallest amount that you could have to make you not feel nauseous.
I don't know how long you're doing the fasting, but you might have to expand your window. So if you're doing 4 to 6, you might have to go to 8. That might help, because you got to realize your body just needs more calories and nutrients than you're used to, because you have a little one growing inside of you, so you need a lot more nutrients. You might not be able to squeeze all that in 4 hours, and that might be where some of the nauseous feeling is coming from.